Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm excited to show you how to install and use the Gateway application. Whether you're on Windows, Linux, or Mac, this standalone tool makes it easy to manage and execute test cases. Let's get started. Double-click the Gateway installer to begin the installation process. If Windows Defender's Smart Screen appears, don't worry. To proceed, click on More Info, as shown on the screen. Next, click Run Anyway to continue with the installation. Since it's an Electron-based app, the setup will be fast. You'll see a green progress window followed by the Smartester logo. During installation, you'll be prompted for a security token. This step ensures secure access to your system. Here's how to get the token. Log in to Smartester, go to the Gateway plugin, and create a new token. You can name your gateway. Let's call it John 2 Stage Win. After you click Add, the token will be copied to your clipboard automatically. Now, head back to the Gateway app. Paste the token using Ctrl+V and click Connect. After a few moments, a browser settings dialog will appear. If Chrome or another browser isn't detected correctly, you can manually adjust the path. Remember, it's not necessary for everything to turn green. Only ensure the browsers you plan to use for your test cases are configured correctly. Once that's done, you're ready to proceed. Make sure to activate your browser settings and click Continue. This takes you to the Gateway's main interface, where you'll find tabs for Jobs and Settings. If you need to adjust anything or disconnect, go to the Settings tab. One important setting to check is block test case execution from other users inside the organization. Make sure it's unchecked for smooth collaboration. With everything set up, you'll see the status of John 2 Stage Win turn green, indicating it's ready to go. Now, let's create a test case. Let's create a simple test case, like searching for cheese. Click Create. Name your test case. Let's call it CH1 and hit Create. You'll see your test case appear successfully. Now, click the pencil icon to edit it and add the URL you want to test. For example, let's use google.com. Now it's time to parameterize the test case. Open the Smart Locator and select your gateway. In this case, my gateway is John 2 Stage Win, so I will confirm it. Once confirmed, a parameterization window will appear on the left and a new Chrome instance will launch. You are now ready to start recording actions for your test case. With recording enabled, all actions like clicks and text inputs will be automatically captured. I'll demonstrate by clicking Accept All on the Google page and typing cheese in the search bar. Then I'll click Google Search, and the corresponding commands will appear in the editor. In the editor, I can verify the search results by using the Get Text feature. I'll assign the text to a variable called RES and check if it matches cheese. If it doesn't, the test fails. Once you're happy with your test case, click Submit to save it. Now we have a complete test case that searches for cheese on Google and verifies the result. You can also run the test right away by clicking Run. For clarity, I usually add a small delay, about 3 seconds, before running the test. When running the test for the first time, you'll be prompted to choose a gateway. Select the appropriate one and click Confirm. Your test will run. It will click Accept All, search for cheese, verify the result, and close the browser after a short delay. Now, let's take it further. You can run the same test case across multiple browsers or even multiple gateways in parallel. Just click the plus button to add more gateways in different locations, say the US, Canada, or India, and run your test on all those gateways simultaneously. This saves time and increases coverage. As you run the test across multiple browsers and gateways, you can track the execution flow in real time. If it's a large program, you can monitor the progress and see the status of each step. Even when running tests on multiple gateways simultaneously, you'll receive the results quickly. If the gateway isn't running the next time you need it, simply double-click the .exe file, enter the token when prompted, and you'll be all set. It's that easy. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial helps you get started with the Gateway app and create automation test cases using record and play in Smartester. Happy testing!